What are the Sandarbhas? There's thousands and thousands of verses. There's Anuchhed, like Anuchhed 238. Anuchhed means like section, main section. It deals with guru, spiritual master, and different things. So then there's subsections. There's 700 subsections in Anuchhed. So if you just say Anuchhed 238, then if you really want to be specific, if you're going to quote something, you have to say what section. Because each section may be a verse from a Purana, or it may be a statement of Jiva himself, or a quotation from Rupa. It's pretty vast. But the basis of the whole Sandarbhas is Srimad Bhagavatam. That's for the Tattva, and as I already mentioned, for the Lila, the basis of the Srimad Bhagavatam. Astakali Lila is also here. It says, oh, in the afternoon, the cowherd boys are bringing the cows back. That's Aparan Lila, 3:36 to 6 o'clock. Oh, then they're cooking. Many you can see. You can find sections where this is Astakali Lila in the Bhagavad, in the description of Vrindavan Lila.